Yo, most channels will never get 10K plus views per video because of these stupid mistakes. The fix is dead simple, so let's grow on YouTube the easy way. You constantly using the same thumbnails that don't work is probably killing your channel. I see this all the fucking time with channels that are in the shadow realm of not growing on YouTube. They all constantly use the same thumbnails each and every video with absolutely no signs of growth. If you've made 10 plus videos with the same thumb and title combo and you're not breaking over 1,000 views, you're simply just wasting your time with something that will most likely never ever work. Stop it. Just stop it. You might as well take the creative risk and try something completely new. Your channel is already pretty much in the grave, so who are you trying to impress by using the same style of thumbnail? Start taking risks and start trying new things. Try something no one has ever done before, and at least that way you'll have original content, which is much more refreshing to see as a viewer rather than the cliche content in your niche. Take my Patreon member John Allington for example. He has 191 subscribers and I've been working with him for a little bit now, and he hasn't really been getting too many views up until this video right here, outwork everyone by doing less. And he just made a slight change to his thumbnails which gave him 5,000 views in 2 days, and he was pretty much at like 100 subscribers yesterday. All he did to get 5,000 views in 2 days was just make a simple thumbnail by taking a simple picture of himself in a very minimalistic environment, and all he did was just put the text "discipline is simple" with a nice smile, and that's it. That's how he got 5,000 views in 2 days. It's not that hard. All you have to do is make that tiny change and you will see results. But you're probably doing something much worse that will kill your channel before it even starts growing. Most small YouTubers, including you, are straight up delusional because they try to be something that they are literally and genetically not. Just listen carefully for a second. Trying to copy other YouTubers' success, which is what 99% of you do, is a guaranteed way to waste time and energy, because what worked for these guys that have hundreds of thousands or even millions of subscribers won't work for you because your personality probably does not align with the guys you're trying to emulate. It's like if you're trying to be Michael Jordan when you're more of a Steve Jobs type of mind. It's just not going to work. So what you should be doing is finding out what personality type you truly are. And the easiest way to figure this out is by taking a personality test on 16personalities.com. It's free and it's going to give you a rough idea of what kind of person you actually are. So why is this so gravely important? Because people like genuine personalities. You can tell when someone is forcing it, and it just makes you look malicious and untrustworthy. Even if you think you're a boring person, it would be so much better to be that boring person rather than trying to force yourself to be more funny and outgoing. Being something you're not is a recipe for wasted time, and that is our most valuable resource. Guys, please understand, time is of the essence. We want to grow as fast as possible in the smartest way possible. So take this personality test and look inside of yourself and learn who you truly are. This in itself will get you a lot more views, trust me. But it might just be your ego that is in the way of you and success on YouTube. Did you know that by removing your emotions from your YouTube channel, you could generate thousands of views and even thousands of dollars? Think about it. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. You have so much opportunity on this platform, even with the millions of people competing to make their videos go viral. You have a once in a lifetime opportunity with YouTube. You can succeed. Look at my Patreon members, for example. They get thousands of views. It's literally as easy as shooting fish in a barrel. But you must be willing to do this one painful thing to take yourself to the next level by removing your ego from your channel. Get rid of all the emotional attachments that you have with your YouTube account. You've got to remember that it's literally just pixels on the screen that can potentially earn you money. That's it, ones and zeros. And once you realize that your YouTube channel is not special, and I mean not special, and that you can make thousands of other channels, you'll stop wasting all this emotional energy staring at your screen waiting for the views to roll in. If you just focus on getting at least 0.5% better every single day, you will make the money you want to make on YouTube. It's all about consistency towards the goal and taking risk. That's all you need to do. Let me say this one more time. Consistency plus risk equals reward. Fortune favors the bold. If you are constantly getting just a little bit better on the pain points of your channel, for example, it could be thumbnails, videos, scripting, etc., and you're taking risks, for example, trying a different style, taking a creative jump, etc., you will run circles around the majority of wannabe YouTubers that just copy other channels and expect results. If you want to make the 10K plus per month and the thousands of views and change your life, you need to take this painful step that 99% of YouTubers aren't willing to take. And I'm telling you right now, you will grow exponentially with just that one video. So if you want me to help you grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out my VIP section on Patreon. You get one-on-one calls with me personally for any questions you have, personalized help with thumbnails, video retention, etc., and 10-minute plus video responses to any questions you may have. And you can see what my awesome Patreon members have said about me with these little testimonials I put in the description. And if you really just want to level up your YouTube channel and you want a second pair of eyes to tell you what you should or should not do, definitely book a consultation call with me today. That's all I got to say today. Have a good day. Peace.